go check who it is.
Okay, back at the skedaddles and girls. Let's see who's in the cafe today. Oh, wow! Let's give the order to Parker.
Thank you, Ginger. Anyone wants hot movie? What shall we make? I know. Let's take Parker's recipe book.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Yo, Parker, it's time to cook. What will you make in your recipe book? Will you chop or will you bake? It's time to see what you will make. Yay! Today's recipe is pizza and fries.
Anyone wants 2 pizzas and chips? Let's get the ingredients.
Yes.
Pizza, gotcha. Oh no, we're missing ingredients.
Uh-oh.
You know what's missing?
Boys and girls, do you know the missing item?
Oh no, the missing item is chips. We need to go to a diner. Open the way! Whoa! Hi, sir. And there's some chips, please. Okay, make them now. Ooh, thank you. 3 pounds, please. Goodbye. Yay, we got our chips. So what time it is? It's time to go! It's time to cook. Let's cook some pasta. Let's boil the rice. Let's cook the chicken. It all tastes nice. Let's make the cookies. Let's bake a cake. Let's bake the donut. And lots of things to make. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Let's make it.
Okay.
Let's put the chips in the frying pan. Let them sizzle. Let's do the pizza. Spinach and ham. Let's make it in the oven. Bake for 10 minutes. Let's get a chips out. That smells delicious. Need my oven because the oven is hot, hot, hot. Ginger, go take it to Ivan. Okay.
Here you go, Iron Man. Enjoy!
Oh, delicious! Thank you!
Ooh, an Iron Man car! Let's take it to Parker!
Ivan car for me. Yay! Can you open it, Ginger?
No! We have to tidy up first!
Okay, tidy up time. I need to tidy up a mess. I live it today. I need to put the bubble hats and cut the bows away. I need to brush and mop the floors and make this with the clean. I need to get all dirty off and make you sparkly clean. And I'm done, 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 done. Yay, we got behind this car. It's Marvel. Let's open it.
Open it! Open it!
Come on, Ginger.
Use your muscle strength, Parker, and rip that car out!
Yeah, we got a boat.